Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing an iPhone SE2, the red color. Just received it today and I'm so excited to unbox it. I actually opened the box earlier. Just want to let you guys know, but before I do that, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I really appreciate that. That'll support me a lot and make my channel grow faster. So let's get into it. So this is the box I received from Apple. So I ordered it online. I received it within 2 days. And that's how it did. I actually opened it earlier. Apologize, my apology for that. So it came. So I'm just gonna take this one. Take the case. So that's the phone. Let's do it. So come with the instruction manual. You guys are used to that. With the ejection right here. It's the ejector right here. So got that as well. Don't want to go through it. Some people care about it. I don't really care much. Plus it comes with the 5-watt brick. It supports wireless charging and fast charging, by the way. And you get the AirPods and the half-meter cable, charging cable. So let's get this out of the way and let me show you the phone. So that's the red. It's actually beautiful. You can see the Apple logo is exactly in the middle. So the main differences between the SE1 and SE2, the size basically. The SE1 size is similar to 5S. SE2 is similar to iPhone 8. Different camera, 12 megapixel in the back, 7 megapixel in the front. Support wireless charging. The old one does not support fast charging. The SE1 does not. So a couple differences here and there. It has the A13 chip, Bionic chip, similar to the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, which is amazing. It saves you a lot of battery. Performance is really amazing. It's fast. It's as fast as the iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max for a cheap price. So I would recommend you guys get it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the phone. Hope you guys like the video and enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any question, please let me know. Later guys.